guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kai here. This past week was a worldwide holiday, perhaps the most important day of the year. Chopper's birthday! Happy birthday, Chopper! Well, late birthday, either way, it was Chopper's birthday this week, and it also happened to be Christmas, which I guess is also pretty important. I have done most of my gift exchanges for the year. I have a few more to do in the new year, but I thought I would go ahead and do a pretty quick Christmas haul for you guys. Just a disclaimer, not to brag in any way. Super thankful for all of the things I got, and yeah, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into it. So, first thing I have here is something that I've already played probably 10 hours worth or more, and it is the double pack of Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. I have been wanting this game. I've played all the Pokemon games. I actually am playing Scarlet right now. But yeah, so I got these, been loving it. Next up, my friend actually and I are going, well, a group of friends and I are going to Medieval Times, so I got a Medieval Times ticket, which I'm super excited for. I'm trying to debate if I want to dress up for it, but I have a lot of cosplays to work on, so we're not sure. I also got a $25 Starbucks gift card, which I'll be using at the airport tonight, so bless. And then another thing I got from a friend is this Simply Japanese cookbook. I am so excited for this. I love Japanese food. I already have something pinned, which is red bean pancakes, and obviously red bean pancakes are in Chinese culture, they're in Korean culture and Japanese culture, and I love red bean anything, so I'm super excited to dive into this cookbook and see what I can make. I also got this white Nike hat that's got my name embroidered on it, so I'm not going to show that part of it, but I love this hat. It's such a good workout hat, just like a good hat in general, so I got that as well. Okay, and then in my stocking, I got some beauty products, which I don't really wear makeup, but I do a lot of skincare. So I have this Pacifica Vegan Collagen for under my eyes because insomnia's a bitch. And my under eyes be baggy. I love this stuff. The next two products are Korean skincare, which I totally recommend, but this isn't a skincare wellness beauty channel, so we gonna breeze. We gonna breeze by. It is this Innisfree green tea toner. Love this stuff, big size for decent price, as well as this The Ordinary vitamin C, ascorbic acid 8%, alpha arbutin 2%.
What did he say?
Serum. They should really come up with some names that aren't just the ingredients, because boy, is that a mouthful. The next thing I got in my stocking is this blackhead remover toolkit, and it comes with a few different blackhead remover things. I don't pick at my skin too much, but when I need to, I try to use a tool just because it's cleaner and a little bit safer. I also got some thermal label printer paper. If you guys didn't know, I have an Etsy shop, which I'll link down below, and this just helps save money on ink for labels. But you could do a lot of things with this, so I always need some of this. Next, I got some contact cement, which is a godsend for cosplaying. It works well on EVA foam, cardboard, pretty much any material you can think of. It's really sturdy. This is definitely top 10, top 5 cosplayer essentials. And if you guys want to see a video of my top 5, top 10 cosplayer essentials, or you just want to do some shopping without all the talking, I do have an Amazon storefront linked in the description below, and it has all of that stuff, including this contact cement in there. If you follow me on TikTok, if you don't, I don't know what you're doing. This feels like a lot of promotions in a row, but it seems to fit in. I love the One Piece Sweet Dream blind boxes. I've been trying to get Chopper, so between my stocking and my friend, I got 7. And if you're wondering, didn't get Chopper. If you're also wondering, I only got repeats. So I'm a little sad the Christmas spirit wasn't with me, but thankful nonetheless because I do love blind box openings. So I got another Nami, I got an Usopp, I got another Usopp, I got another Luffy, I got another Robin, and I got another Zoro. Oh, and another Luffy. I will be giving these away in future giveaways, and I also just ordered the chopper at AliExpress because this was top 10 saddest moments of my life. So yeah, I got all of these. Moving on, I am really bad at Christmas and I got something for myself. I got this Haikyuu 10-year anniversary book. I don't even need to explain how much I love Haikyuu. I think I've talked about it in almost every video that I've ever done on this channel so far. I love Haikyuu, and I love the time skip. And I love this 10-year anniversary illustrations they did. I don't even use Twitter, but I was on Twitter the whole time waiting for every new illustration, and it gave me so much life. So I got this really cute book of all the illustrations and some pages I can't read because I can't read Japanese, but nonetheless, super excited for this. The next thing and second to last thing that I got, which I am so excited for, the Vans and One Piece collab. Obviously we're seeing a theme with this Christmas this year, but I really wanted the straw hat version. They had a lot of cool ones, but this one was particularly my favorite. I think it'll go with a lot more things. I don't plan to wear them too much just because I tend to be a little harsh with my shoes. But yeah, I got the straw hat ones where it has all of their Jolly Rogers with the characters. I love it. I love the details of the laces. I mean, I love that everyone is doing a collab with One Piece right now. If you didn't know, Nike is also coming out with a collab, and I'm super excited for that one. So yeah, in love with these. And the last thing I got is honestly too big for me to like even drag in the frame here. Oh, no, I can drag in the frame here. I got a new gaming chair. I mean, I'm not even gonna say a new one because the one I had before doesn't even qualify as a gaming chair. It was like a $10 chair from Walmart. No cap. But now I have this one in ice blue, which is gorgeous. It is the Secret Labs one, and this is magnetic. Look at that. I mean, oh, well that didn't work, but watch this. Boom, it's magnetic. So I'm super happy about that. Anyway, that was really quick because I have to get ready to catch a flight soon, but thank you guys so much for watching. I am so excited for what the new year has in store. But if you guys have any content suggestions, please drop them in the description box below so I know what you guys want to see beyond just hauls and vlogs and things like that. All right, catch you later. Bye.